my channel. My name is Hooja, and if you guys are ready for today's video, just give me a like right now. Today we are just going to be doing another natural hair clip-in video. I had some extra hair, so I'm like, let's do it. Let's make a video. This hair is from Outre'S, and this is their big beautiful hair collection, and this is the style for a kinky clips, or kinky curly clips. Let me get that correct. And this is in the color 2T 1B/2730. All you gotta know is that this hair is long, and then it comes with 9 pieces, and I have all 9 pieces in my head. Actually, I cut a couple clips, split a couple clips, but it's just because of the way that I wanted this style to be, and it was very simple to do this look. I did it a little different from what I did last time, so I hope you guys follow along. I hope you guys find this tutorial very easy. Just want to spice it up a little with some clips, do a little side part action. But I will link everything down below on where you can buy these clip-ins, how much they are, different colors, what this color is. You'll have it in the video and down below. If you guys just want to hop into the video, we can. So there's different ways that you can style clip-ins, and I think I could do like a colorful like side part using bobby pins. So I have these colorful ones, and I could probably do like a cute little look with these. So maybe I can do like some bobby pins on this side and have my hair all big and curly on one side. I could put my hair in a bun in the back and then just work with the front and just place in the clip-ins, and that's what I might do. Honestly, that's just what's gonna have to happen. This is like the laziest crap I've ever seen in my life. And then I'll definitely like refresh the curls in the front. So what you do is take a section of your hair that you want out. I'm just gonna refresh that a little so that I can kind of get it to lay down a lot better. Now I'm just going to place it in a small bun in the back, just like this. Now that that's in the smallest bun possible back here, I am going to put in some tracks, people. I'm not gonna explain this like in depth, just because I already have a video on it. If you want to go see it, it's going to be linked up above, so just click it just in case you don't know how to put in clip-ins correctly and stuff like that. But this is going to be a faster video just because I've done it before and it's relatively easy. I will show you how to do like the ins and the outs of clip-ins, but this is just going to be a faster paced video because I'm not trying to be here all day. Are you? I think not. So what you want to do is just open the clips. This is how you open them, and then all you have to do is hook them inside of your hair and place them in your head. So I'm just gonna start and place the 5-inch here, and boom. I'm just gonna tease them slightly, just a little bit, because 9 clip-ins is actually a lot for a package to me. And now I'm just going to add in the 7, tease it before I put it in, you know, tease it a little bit, tease it. Okay, it's big enough. All right, so I'm unclipping and clipping, and some of the clips actually have 3 clips. They could have up to 5 clips, but it's okay. I'm just gonna place that directly on top. What I'm going to do is refresh this hair right here. So I really hate one side of my head that curls, and it's this side. Who knows what be going on that side, but I'm just going to flip all of my hair to one side. Kind of moisturized right now. And I am going to make a part here All my hair is just fused together. It's all wet. I'm just going to fluff them out a little bit. And I'm gonna place them. So I'm gonna do is separate this bang area from my hair so I can place a larger clip. I love when my hair is so wet and curly. I need to do the wet look, but I'm just scared because I usually never have like my natural hair out on my channel, and I just want it to look good. Like, I don't want to get judged. So now I'm gonna add in this 12-inch clip. And this side of my head is gonna have more of the curly hair on it. Now it's just a matter of blending in my natural hair with the highlighted hair. We gonna see how that go, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these 3-inch clips left, and I still have the 10-inch clip left. I'm gonna start like here and kind of wrap it inside, if that makes any sense at all. Now I'm just going to separate my hair from that clip in and just kind of fluff it up a little, because you know, you gotta be a little extra. So the 3-inch wefts, they only have 2 clips. So I'm just gonna add that to my bang area. Placing them in. It honestly doesn't look like my hair is black at this point. If this was hard to follow, I am so sorry. But half the time, I always wing it with my hair, which is not very helpful. But it's because everybody's hair is so different. Like, it's hard to make a plan for everyone's hair, you know? Or be that person to make a plan for everyone's hair. Because everybody's hair is different, so it's just hard, you know? But, oh, okay, okay, sis. Actually going to split this clip in half. Split this clip in half, took out whatever hair is gonna come out, whatever. And I'm also gonna fluff it. I don't like the way that's looking. I'm gonna cut it, just a smidge. I'm not gonna cut too much off, but I'm gonna cut like a decent amount. So it's only gonna have like a little bit of the highlight inside. All right, yes, that is what I needed. Yes. All right, so for this next piece, I'm also going to add into my hair, but it's going to be on this side. So I wanted to be able to kind of do one of these or put in the clips. So I might add it here. So I'm just going to open the clip and then place it right in front of this part. So they're kind of overlapping, but it's because of the style that I want. I'm just gonna take some Eco Styler. Get my edges real smooth. I like to use my hands a lot, people. I have my Eco Styler. It's like an edge tamer, and this is Evans, New York. So I'm just gonna use some of that to go on these edges, because honey, they needs it. They needs it. It's funny because I don't like to do too many swoops. I like to do maybe like 1 or 2 swoops. I'm not a swoopty girl. And I think today I'm gonna go with yellow clips because, you know, yellow is one of my favorite colors. This is the finished look. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. It's just different to have like different colored hair, you know? And I hope you guys loved this tutorial. It was a journey, but we got here. And it's super cute. I just wanted to add something, you know, to spice it up a little. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. My name is Hujo, once again, if I ain't tell you. I'll be back with more videos, don't worry. Like, if you didn't take a hair montage, did you actually make a hair video?